Which one is better? This one or this? Which one would you choose? If you're wondering which one will get more views and engagement on social media, let's find out. First, you need to head over to ChatGPT or Gemini. Upload your product photo and describe exactly what you want. For example, I asked for a product manipulation image and a video using 2 separate text prompts, and look at the amazing results. Now, just copy these prompts one by one and open them in Grok AI. Once you open Grok AI, you'll see an interface just like this. Take a close look. On the far left, you'll find an option called Imagine. This is where the magic happens. After clicking on Imagine, a new interface will appear. Now, follow my cursor. See this upload option here? Click on it, then select the second option, Animate Image. Now, simply upload your product photo right here. Next, you need to select the correct aspect ratio for your content. If you're creating shorts or reels, go with 9:16, but for a standard YouTube video, choose 16:9. Since I'm making a YouTube video, I'll select 16:9. Now, let's head back to Gemini to grab that high-quality image manipulation prompt we created earlier. Once copied, return to Grok AI, paste the prompt into the description box, and hit the Upload or Generate button. As you can see, the AI has started its magic. Now let's wait a few moments for the final result. Look at that. Based on our prompt, Grok AI has delivered a stunning, high-resolution product manipulation. The placement is simply flawless. This is exactly why I love using Grok AI. Now let's move to step 2, turning this image into a professional product animation. And yes, it's completely free. No stress, it's incredibly easy. Let's go back to Gemini and grab the video prompt we generated earlier. Back in Grok, click on the Make Video option, paste your prompt, and hit Generate. Our video is now in the making. Let's wait a few moments for the magic to finish. Once it's done, let's review the final results. The best part is, you can generate multiple high-quality videos and images here for free. I highly recommend trying this method. You'll definitely get amazing results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more AI and design tutorials. If you have any specific questions about AI tools or graphic design, feel free to let me know in the comments. I'm here to help. Stay creative, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.